Good day friends, I am Dr. Pushpinder Kaur from Akal Eye Hospital, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. So today we are going to talk about glaucoma, which is also called the silent thief of vision. Glaucoma, also known as Kala Motia in vernacular Punjabi language, even Hindi language. So what exactly is glaucoma or Kala Motia? In Kala Motia, there is nothing Kala as such, nothing black which we are going to take out or anything. Kala Motia simply means it's a bad omen. Punjabi ch nash kende, black omen. Something which is very unpleasant, which we cannot undo it. Okay. So in Kala Motia or glaucoma, what happens? The pressure in the eye increases. Now what is this pressure? Constantly, to maintain the shape of the eye and for the functions of the eye, aqueous humor, a fluid is formed all the time and it gets drained. Okay? So one side it is formed, the other side it gets drained. So wherever there is a derangement, like if the formation is more or the drainage is affected, the pressure starts going up. Imagine a ball, eye is like a ball, and the pressure goes on increasing. So when the pressure goes on increasing, the blood supply to the nerve, which is the optic nerve, decreases. And with that, the nerve cells and the retinal tissue starts to die. Okay? So this is one of the main reasons. There are many reasons, but this is what we can modify. Okay? So what happens is the pressure in the eye rises and that leads to death of the eye tissue. Okay, the retinal tissue, which causes glaucoma. Now what happens in glaucoma is, why it is called, there are two types of glaucoma. One is with lot of pain, which is angle closure glaucoma, and the other is open angle glaucoma, in which we don't have much of the pain. Okay, so the pain glaucoma is good because the patient has lot of pain and goes and sees the doctor and he can be treated. But the open angle glaucoma, which is painless, that is very nasty. So what happens in that, slowly the pressure goes on increasing and the damage keeps on occurring and the patient doesn't know. So in this what happens is, the pressure, the vision starts decreasing from the side. Slowly the vision keeps decreasing and patient starts having tubular vision, as if he's looking through a tube. So through a tube you see just the center and you're not seeing the side. So patient has tubular vision. So in this, the central vision is the last to go. And when the central vision goes, that's the end. It's finished. You cannot do anything and the patient goes blind. So when the central vision is constricting, when the fields are constricting, you tell a patient that you are having glaucoma, get treated. He will not agree to you. He says, I can read 6 by 6. I can see complete thing. The doctor is lying. So that is the kind of thing which we have to make people aware. So please get your eyes tested. And whenever glaucoma is suspected, don't ignore it. Because whatever the vision is lost, we cannot get it back. But the positive point is, we can save whatever vision is there. So we can give medicines, we can give, if the vision gets, if your glaucoma gets controlled, we don't say cured, controlled. With drops, there are different types of drops these days, we can control it. If it is not getting controlled, then we can go in for surgery and control it with that. So whenever anybody is diagnosed, and there are so many diagnostic methods. So we do the visual fields, we see the optic disc and we see the retina as such. So whenever there is a defect, we note that and then we call the patient after say 3 months or 6 months as the condition may be, and we redo the test and compare it with the previous one. So wherever we see that there is a deterioration or it's going bad, we change the medicine or whatever is required. So the only thing is not to ignore. And after the age of 40, please get your eyes tested by a good eye center. At Akal Eye Hospital, we have all the equipments and treatment and diagnostics to check for the glaucoma. So you check for the glaucoma. If it is there, not there, very fine. If it is there, please get it controlled. You can get it controlled by medicines or with surgery if required. And another thing to remember is that glaucoma surgery is not like cataract surgery, where once you've got the surgery done, everything is fine. You're not going to get back the cataract. But in glaucoma, even if after surgery, you have to go for regular follow-up to your doctor, so that anytime we feel that the deterioration is occurring, we can step in and add a medicine or whatever is required. So by glaucoma, it means it's not something that you go depressed or you feel that everything is lost. No, but glaucoma means regular follow-up. Regular follow-up. Okay. So with regular follow-up, your vision can be saved and they cannot be, you can really be having good vision and good control. Another thing is, this may run in families. So if a person is diagnosed with glaucoma, he should get his siblings, his parents, his cousins, all of them should be examined, and if that should be looked into. So nothing, it's not as if it's a death knell, or if it is as if it is, something that everybody is going to go blind or anything. It's not like that. I'm not trying to frighten anybody, but knowledge is power. So I'm just trying to say that if anybody is diagnosed with, first get diagnosed for glaucoma. Get your eyes checked. If your doctor says you have glaucoma, please follow your doctor very, very carefully. Okay. If they say, okay, you have to use this medicine and this many times, compliance is very important. My doctor said use it 2 times, but I think he's overdone it. Let me use it only once. No, don't do that. Whatever your doctor tells you, please follow that and follow normal, very good follow-up and good control. You can have very good control and glaucoma can be, it won't be dangerous, right? So that is the carry home message. Whoever is diagnosed with glaucoma, please have regular follow-up, follow your doctor very carefully and nothing will go wrong. Thank you. Done?